Everybody loves the convenience of remote start, until it suddenly stops working. If your Hyundai Santa Fe won't start remotely, you're not alone. Let's figure out what's going on. First, check your car's doors. They all need to be closed properly for remote start to work. Even a slightly open door will stop it. Next, make sure your hood is shut tight. If it's open or even unlatched, the remote start won't activate for safety. Is your key fob battery running low? A weak battery can mess up the signal, so try swapping in a new one. Also, remote start won't work if your Hyundai isn't in park. Double-check your gear shift before trying again. Check your fuel level too. If you're low on gas, the system might not let you start the engine remotely. And finally, look for any warning lights on the dashboard. Things like the check engine light can block remote start for safety reasons. If you've tried all these and it's still not working, it might be time to call your Hyundai dealer. So before you get frustrated, check these simple fixes. Chances are, your Santa Fe's remote start just needs a quick reset.